Are you ready to build and hunt some dinosaurs? Here they are, the Jurassic World Chaos Theory. 10 dinosaurs and 1 book to collect. At syempre, hindi tayo nagpahuli dito. Here's the Pteranodon, one of the flying dinosaur. Next, here's the Parasaurolophus. O diba, tongue twister tuloy tayo. There's also an Ankylosaurus. By the way, naka-disassemble siya sa box. And you're the one to assemble it. Here's Pachyrhinosaurus. Don't worry, easy lang naman siya mabuild since 4 parts lang siya per toy. Then this is the Nasutoceratops. Oh, may favorite na ba kayong dinosaur? Here's Dimorphodon. And mukhang giant lizard na Beckelspinax. Actually, each toy comes with a card to know a little information about the dinosaur, like what food they are eating, and then the like. By the way, here's Stegosaurus. One of the biggest dinosaur, here's Ankylosaurus. Paano kaya kung buhay pa sila ngayon, no? Ewan ko na lang saan tayo magtatago. And the king of the dinosaurs, the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Or in short, T-Rex. At syempre, one of my fave among the set. And there's also a Jurassic World Chaos Theory book. And this one comes from McDonald's Middle East, the Stygimoloch. And one coming from Canada, the Atrisoraptor. So total of 12 dinosaurs to collect worldwide. And here's the catch, you could scan your trading card and play with your dinosaurs virtually. Ang cool, di ba?